As things return, I wouldn't criticise. Guess you've had your way. You see, I gotta make you understand. I know it sounds a foolish thing to say, but I don't matter, baby, 'cause today's another day. You shine the love of my life. You shine the love of my life. You shine the love of my life. Let me see. Tonight we're gonna run till dawn. Remember tonight we're gonna say we'll never stop, we got a good thing going on. I know you've heard it all before, but I really need you, darling. Every day I need you more. You shine the light of my life. You shine the love of my life. You shine the love of my life. Yes, I understand. Can you feel it right? Yes, I know it is. Will you be the same? Will you do it all again? Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Well, hi there, pluckers. I was Saw Fingers back with you again with a bit of a work in progress here for a little playthrough for you for a forthcoming lesson. Okay, this is a song from ELO, Electric Light Orchestra, and a song called Shine a Little Love. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed that. What you heard there was basically about 2/3 of the song. It just repeats more of the same, another verse, a chorus and another bridge. So it just basically repeats more of the same, and it finishes with a couple of choruses. So everything you heard in that little playthrough is everything you need to play the whole song. Okay, so hopefully you'll join me in a few days' time, and I'll try and break this down for you. Not the easiest song, it's a bit rapid, and there's quite a few chord changes and a few chords that you may not have played before in it. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed that, and join me in a few days. Bye for now.